Hello, in this video I will show you how to schedule and embed Facebook Live feeds on your website. By the way, my name is Airidas Girstukas, and if you will get any benefits from this video, please don't forget like and subscribe, as that would benefit me a lot. So let's begin. So first thing, if you wanted to embed the live video on your website, what you have to do, you have to go live or create an event. So my suggestion would be just do preparation work before you going online. So just go to create first event, just press online, and then fill all information, what you're gonna be doing, where and what time. I'm gonna pick, let's say, time. This description you should write. Pick the category. Let's say food. And then next, I'm gonna use Facebook Live. And then I got it. I'm gonna press next, and I'm gonna create an event. Then we're offering you boost your online event, but you don't want, so you just switch it off. And after, you have an option set up live video. So if you're going there, you can set up what you're gonna showing to your customers or clients or people. Let's set up now. First thing, we need to title. Again, I just gonna do test and test. You need to set up user camera. Then you should use integrated camera or another thing. You can share the screen. If you like, I can show you. Just press the new window should pop up, and then you pick screen 1. Let's say you have a preview, whatever you see, what is there, what people seeing at the moment. So we're still not seeing anything. So if you just press allow, then you see they replaced my view by the screen. If you want to stop sharing, you will just stop sharing this one. If you're gonna go down, you're gonna see stream, and then you get embed code. You're just gonna have an embed code. You should leave probably suggested option 1280 by 7020. If you prefer to change, feel free, and just then copy embedded code. When you done this, go to your WordPress. I just gonna create new post and just gonna type embed Facebook Live from Gutenberg. As I wanted to show you how to embed from the Gutenberg and from the Elementor, let's say. So I just gonna pick the custom HTML and paste the code. Publish. We can preview, and you can see blank screen and the embed Facebook Live from the Gutenberg. And if I would press edit post, edit with Elementor, and then let's create another one. Let's put title or heading and just type here embed Facebook Live from Elementor. And then I'm gonna select another field and just gonna search for HTML. You can drag it and then you paste the code. You update, preview, and you can see embed Facebook Live from Elementor from Gutenberg. So I'm gonna just drag on at this one screen, and I'm gonna switch it off this one. I'm gonna switch off this. As you can see at the moment in this small windows, hopefully you can see it. So what now we're gonna do, I'm gonna just go live and we gonna test, is it gonna be showing or not. So go live, that's 1, 2, 3, and we are here. So live. If I scroll up, you can see what basically is seeable on my website at the moment. As you can see, we are live, but nothing seeable here. So the video didn't start automatically. You need to refresh screen. So let's refresh it, the browser, and then you can see it's appeared live on the page. If I'm gonna go down, so you can see it doesn't matter how and where you inserted the code, in a Gutenberg or in Elementor, you can see the live video on your website. I'm gonna end live video now, and I'm gonna delete, confirm, as it was only test. And if I'm gonna bring back in here, what you would see, this live video has ended. And if you would refresh, would be again black screen. So it's free the way how you can show the Facebook Live on your website. Second way is Facebook Live video on your website. So you have to 7 days trial, and then you can basically don't need to go and always insert the link on your website. As it's saying, it's time saver, it's increased your viewership, distraction free. You can read it, all those kind of things. So what we're gonna do, we're just gonna sign up Facebook account, and I gonna sign up. And I'm gonna wanna do this one. What page do you want to use with live content? I pick this one. And then we're saying, what is with live content allowed to do? Receive your emails. Show a list of pages you manage. You can leave it or you can disable. I just gonna leave it. You've now linked with Live Connect to Facebook. I just gonna press OK. And then you get this embed code. So you can see you don't need any cards details for 7 days. If you want, you just can go and have it. And then you just have and copy this code. I'm going now back to my WordPress. You can see this screen, and now I'm gonna edit post. And then you can press this. I'm gonna just put some heading and Facebook Live from Vidlive. And then I'm gonna insert another blank this screen, and then I'm gonna search for the HTML widget, gonna drag and gonna insert the code, and I'm gonna update. And you can see Facebook Live. Let's go now back to the, you can preview or edit this widget. So let's edit. You can then give your widget name if you want. You can choose an image if you like, and I'm gonna go to the Facebook appointments, let's say pictures I got, and let's say gonna press this thumbnail, update widget, processing, and you could see then on your website, if I go here, date preview, you could see actually the picture. So you can basically make any information, it would be nicely displayed instead of the blank black screen, I would say, and it would always stay as, let's say, whatever you wanna put. And if I'm gonna go back now, we go here, you can actually as well show the last video shown of the placeholder image if you wanna do this one. So I'm gonna switch it off now. Let's go and have a Facebook Live now and have a look how it's work. So I just gonna, okay, so let's go Facebook Live, go live. This time straight away, you don't need even setup if you don't want. It's everything should be come up on your website. We will have a look how this work. Use camera I gonna pick, start screen share I gonna pick. I'm gonna select screen 1, allow. I then gonna press title and write as well something. And then let's go live and have a look how it's work. And we are now live, and you can see if I going scroll up, this one screen, it's what it is. If I going down, Facebook Live from the Vidlive, and you can see it started. It's actually, you don't need even refresh. It's live already. It's brilliant, I would say. It's much nicer future. If you want to have an option on your website, then it's, I would say, you must have this plugin. In let's end video, and now, and I'm gonna bring it this one here. So you can see live video has ended, and it should be available to watch on your tutorial timeline shortly. So in normal way, you will keep that live video probably for a while. I would love to hear what you think about the content. Just drop the line below in the comments. I am reading all of them. If you get any benefit from this video, don't forget to like and subscribe, as that would help me a lot. Thank you for your attention, and bye bye to the next time.